Hello, namaste everyone. Uh, Dear students, in today's session we are going to deal with one of the guided writings, that is regret letter. Yes, in today's session we will learn how to write a regret letter. Right? Before I gave you some ideas on how to write a regret letter, let me first tell you what regret letter is, or why we write a regret letter. Yes, by its name also you can easily have the idea. Regret means simply to feel sorry, right? Regret simply means to feel sorry or to express our sorry, right? So regret letter means a kind of letter or a kind of personal letter through which we express our sorry or regret to somebody else for the mistakes or for something that we have done earlier. Yes, sometimes it is said that to err is human, right? To err is human. It means to make a mistake is a human nature, and sometimes, okay, knowingly and unknowingly, we might make mistakes, and later on we realize, and after we realize, we feel regret for ourselves, for the misbehavior or for something wrong that we have done. So, okay, to maintain the friendship or the relations, yes, we can express our sorry, yes, for the mistakes that we have done. So this is the way, okay, how we can express our sorry, right? So you can either verbally express your sorry, or you can also express your sorry in the written form, right? So in today's session we are going to learn how we can express our regret or sorry in the form of a letter, right? Okay, first of all I'll present you a model of a regret letter, yes, and then we will discuss more, okay, what are the things, basic things that we should keep into our considerations while writing a regret letter. Okay, now let's see this model. Yes, as I have already told you, it is a personal letter, right? So we follow the format of a personal letter. So first of all, we begin with inside address or the address of the writer or the sender. So you can simply mention your address as 805 Makwanpur. Then just below the address, you can mention the date of date of writing a letter. For example, 15 February 2021. Dear Manish, I am extremely sorry for the quarrel that I had with you at the picnic yesterday. I spoke so rudely and misbehaved with you for a petty matter. In fact, I didn't mean to hurt you like that, but it happened so due to my own misunderstanding. Now I realize that it was my own mistake. I promise it won't happen again. Please forgive me once. I don't want to break our relationship for no reason. We are friends forever. Hope you will understand and forgive me. Hope to see you soon. Truly yours, Manisha. Yes, this is a simple model of a regret letter, right? So, after reading this regret letter, you can have some ideas. Yes, as I already told you, you should mention the purpose of feeling regret or expressing regret in the beginning. Why you are expressing sorry, what mistakes actually you have done, and what you have realized about your mistakes. These are the things you should keep into your considerations, right? And other things, okay, it is similar to that of writing a personal letter. Now I will give you some hints or clues, and I hope after reading these clues you'll have some ideas on how to write a regret letter, right? Okay, the first point I have for you is follow the format of a personal or informal letter, right? Since it is a type of personal or informal letter, you can follow the same format. And the second point I have for you is you can begin the body of letter in your own way, but it would be far more better for you if you begin it with the expression of regret or sorry, right? So Yes. For example, you can begin. You can begin the first line of your letter as, okay, I'm extremely sorry for the mistake. Yes, I did or I have done for you. Yes, you can mention the reason why you are expressing your sorry, right? And the second way you can begin as I'm regretful for, yes, then mention the reason. And next way is I'm ashamed to say that, yes, then mention what actually had happened, yes, and what you have realized now. Yes, this is the way you can go through. And the next point, in the next point I have provided you some useful vocabularies, right? So whenever you are writing a regret letter, you can think of some useful vocabularies which might be very helpful for you, right? So the useful vocabularies might be sorry, regret or regretful, ashamed, mistake, realize, forgive, hurt, misunderstanding, etc. Okay, there might be other useful vocabularies or words or expressions, so you can use them, right? So these are some of the useful vocabularies you can use in the letter, right? And these vocabularies will guide your writing. Yes? Did you get my point? Good. Now, regarding the regret letter, I have some practice questions for you. You can see I have given you 2 questions for the practice. The first question I have for you is, imagine that you happen to misbehave with your teacher in the class yesterday, but now you feel sorry for that. Now write a letter, a regret letter to him or her. Now you can do this. Number B, suppose one of your classmates is hurt by the message you posted about him on the Facebook. Now write a sorry letter to him or her. Right? Okay, these are the 2 questions for practice. And if you have any problem or any confusion regarding the regret letter, then you can consult us, right? And you can ask us anytime. We are ready to help you anytime. Okay, thank you very much.